A variable is a placeholder for some type of value. Specifically in programming with Python, a variable can consist of letter, word, phrase, numbers, underscores, or a Frankenstein mess of the previous items, which is a placeholder for some type of value. Think back to math for just a second. I promise it won't hurt. The expression 10 equals 7 plus x. X is a variable, which means it is a placeholder for the value 3. Got it? No? Alright, that's fine. Here's another example. Y equals 7 plus my amazing variable. My amazing variable is a variable, which means it's a placeholder for the value 3. Got it? No? Okay, fine. Here's another example. 10 equals 7 plus I hate my life. The Frankenstein mess I hate my life is a variable, which means it is a placeholder for the value 3. Got it? All variables in Python need to start with either a letter or an underscore. They can never start with a number. Don't even think about trying it yourself. If you do, your computer will probably explode. See these variables on screen now? You know who made them? Developers who are sleeping forever now. Don't be a casualty of invalid variable names. I love you and I don't want you to die.